Furnace temperature calibration procedure. Tools required. Calibration ring, tweezers, vernier caliper, temperature reference table. Place the calibration ring at the center of the center plate using tweezers. Close the furnace door. Then open the temperature curve menu and select the temperature calibration. Centering curve. The OY7 Pro default calibration setting are 10 minutes ramp to 1580 Celsius degree, followed by a 60 minutes hold. Select the temperature calibration curve and start the centering program. After centering program ends, the furnace door opens. Wait for the calibration ring to cool completely. Then remove it by tweezers and place it on the cooling plate. Use a vernier caliper to measure its diameters. Check the temperature reference table to find the corresponding temperature, which should be 101 Celsius degree. Go back to the temperature settings. Select the temperature settings. Select the temperature calibration. Change the value to 1601. Return and save it. Finally, return the temperature settings screen. The displayed temperature difference now showed 21 Celsius degree. Calibration is complete.